I guess second part of the intro video, getting right into the car already. We're gonna start out by, pretty much today we're just gonna strip the whole car. We're gonna strip the whole car little by little, as you can see over there. Cameraman, show them over there. I'm gonna walk to it, because you can't see it. We're gonna start off with the hood today, probably replacing it. We're gonna be taking off this hood right here. I know it's a different style hood than that one, but I kind of got tired of this one already. It gives it more of a drag look, and I want something else. I want a little bit more stylish, like that one. This is a Cobra R hood from the 2000 model Mustang. I really like it though, especially because it was, well, I guess they're not considered vents because they're not actually open, but that design, it looks like a vent, so we're gonna call it a vented hood. But for this, taking it off, I'm gonna need help though. So, should we call an assistant? Yeah! Yeah, I think we should. So. This is my brother, our other brother other than the cameraman, Chewy. Well, his name's Chewy. Call him Chewy. He also has a car that he started working on it. I guess. I used to have some old wheels on it, so I passed them down to him. He bought them off of me. We'll show you his car later on. He wants to trade it out already, but he already gave up on it. So we're gonna follow us around. We're gonna go ahead and take out the hood. Fairly easy, just 2 bolts. Pops right off. Huh? This hood was it is fiberglass. The new one is too. Not that rich to have it. Just move the center right there. It's for sale. So yeah, eventually maybe I will sell it, like for really cheap though, just to get it out of my space. It does have a little bit of damage right here. Like I said, it was damaged. You can't really see it unless you remove the wrap in here. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking off my pins though, because these were pretty pricey. So yeah. Engine, it is completely stock too. The other engine I had on it, I kind of blew it. It blew up on me, so I have to start off from 0 again. Gonna be taking off the fender as well. There we go. So yeah, now that the hood is off, we're gonna be taking off the headlight support, because as you can see, it's supposed to look like this, but there's like that big chunk missing. So tomorrow we're gonna be taking a trip, and some other homie too. We're gonna be taking a trip down to the junkyard. But for the meanwhile, we can show you the other cars we have too. His car, which I think he should just work on it because it's different. You guys are gonna see right now. We do have this one too. Beetle, it runs and everything. It's just kind of abandoned here. We're probably just gonna fix it up and sell it. You can't park with this. There goes my brother's dog. How old is he?
17 weeks.
17 weeks. 2 months?
Yes.
2 months. He's 2 months right here. Yeah, this is my mom's car. That front house over there, it's mine. This is my mom's house. This is where my siblings live as well.
This is where the party goes on.
You're gonna have to block off the license plate because
I'm gonna put a picture of your car on there.
Yeah, this is my brother's car right here. It's a Avenger, Dodge Avenger. So we got some more American right here. Oh, he gives us a little surprise. Little waterworks right here. Right, these used to be my old wheels out of the Mustang. Now they're in his car. What year is it?
2011.
2011 Avenger. I think it would look dope just dropping it, but he just wants a new car.
RX-8.
Oh, okay. Which is not bad. Keeping it in the Mazda family, like this one right here. This is my my abandoned car. Oh, it looks kind of dented right there. We're gonna be working on this as well. Getting it back together. Right now, the rack and pinion. Oh shit. Oh shit, they are fading? That bird poop is dangerous too.
What?
It fades out the paint. No! Get away! So yeah, like I said, this is my 1991 Mazda Miata. I used to take it to car meets and car shows all the time, but just didn't have time anymore. It's so low that cracked my rack and pinion, so the steering, I'm having problems in steering. It's also leaking brake fluid due to how low it is. Even though it does have a skid plate, it's still messing up though. But yeah, I don't know, you're gonna have to see it on the... So yep, this is the Miata right here. It has original sparkle seats. Interior. This is the spoiler. But yeah, this one's gonna be for another video though. Alright, well, let's continue the Mustang. Alright, we're gonna take off the headlight support now. Already off. It's just a couple bolts. I think we have two right here, two right there, two right there. So yeah, let's get to it. Pull it right off. Alright, so we do want to keep this part to put it on the one that we're gonna get tomorrow.
2 hours later.
Paintball season's coming up too. Oh, there's a horse. Doge.
6.5 hours later.
Broke.
That's gonna go in the bloopers.
A few moments later.
Finally. Well, we kind of fucked it up, but it's all good. Alright, so we started taking off the fender already. Most of these were off, as you can see. The crash messed it up. We need to get to these too. There's a couple bolts in here, but we gotta figure it out of the way because the door doesn't open.
Really, nigga?
A little bit broken there. Damn! It was a side skirt. Yeah, I have to fix this because it's kind of. Alright, so I guess we're gonna take off the fender.
Start recording? Okay.
Yeah, stop. The ratchet. The ratchet.
This one?
No. This one.
Oh.
I already see it.
No, it's still moving. Just tap this one.
There's a big old spider right there. There you go. Fender's now off. Yeah. We didn't get any frame damage, thankfully. Just this looks a little bit in, as you can see. But we're gonna hammer that out. Okay. I think I got some in my. Oh, you're up.
Gay!
Okay, don't say gay. So right now we're gonna give it a quick wash. Cause it's like super nasty. There's dead bugs everywhere. Yeah, spiders everywhere. Look, we can see a dead bug in there. Yep. We're gonna fast forward a quick little wash right now. So this is it for this video. Just stripped it down, got all the parts that were damaged off. So yeah, it looks like. We gave it a little quick wash. Then the following videos, we're just gonna go ahead and